Are you a working professional in Dubai fed up with your current accommodation solution? Are you a company looking for an affordable staff accommodation solution? If yes, then get excited. Because Resivation is here to take the working professionals in Dubai beyond survival mode and into the good life. Resivation is a division of Innovations Group, the largest white-collar staffing and recruitment company in UAE. Nestled in the heart of Al Furjan district, Resivation offers a premium housing solution with fully furnished hotel rooms and amenities. At Resivation, residents can choose between various room packages that fit their requirement and budget. With a range of deluxe, superior king, and superior twin rooms, residents have multiple options of renting private individual rooms or sharing the space with colleagues, friends, or like-minded individuals. With our all-inclusive billing system, we believe in making room rentals simple without any hidden charges. Everything is included in the monthly bill. Fully furnished rooms, state-of-the-art gym, modern entertainment room, co-working spaces, complimentary Wi-Fi and utility bills, housekeeping services, DIY laundry, shuttle bus to metro station. Residents can also subscribe to affordable monthly meal plans and enjoy delicious buffets. There's no need to get caught up in long-term contracts when you're living at Resivation. We offer monthly flexible contracts, saving you time and money. Resivation is UAE's first purpose-built facility for working professionals. Our vision is to provide a luxurious housing solution at an affordable rate without the pain of having to commit and manage long-term expenses. We look forward to welcoming you to Resivation. Reserve, live, relax.